Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I have brought this very unique pattern for you. You can use this pattern in any ladies cardigan, baby blankets, frocks, shawls and caps, also in jackets. This pattern looks like this from back side. And for this pattern I have used long tail cast on and basic ribbing. For this pattern we need to cast on multiple of 16 stitches and plus 1 stitch to complete the pattern and 2 stitches for border. This is 8 rows repeat pattern. For demonstration I have taken 19 stitches, out of which 16 stitches for pattern and 1 stitch to complete the pattern and 2 stitches for border. So let us start knitting our pattern now. Our pattern starts from right side. Slip 1 stitch and then repeat pattern, knit 1 stitch and then yarn over. Then purl 3 stitches. Already we have increased 1 stitch by yarn over. We will manage that stitch by reducing 1 stitch by using SSK method. SSK means slip 1 stitch and then slip another stitch and place both stitches on left needle and knit that both stitches from back loop. So our pattern will turn towards left side. After that knit 5 stitches and then knit 2 stitches together from front loop. By knitting 2 stitches together, our shape of pattern turn towards right side. Now purl 3 stitches and increase 1 stitch by yarn over to balance 1 stitch which already we have decreased by knitting 2 stitches together. So here make 1 yarn over and then knit 1 stitch and purl edge stitch. Here we have completed our first row. Now onwards purl all stitches on our wrong side rows like second, fourth, sixth and eighth row. We have to purl all wrong side stitches. Row second, purl all stitches. Here we have completed our second row. Now let us start our third row. For that slip first stitch. Now repeat pattern. In third row we have to knit 2 stitches, first and second on yarn over and then yarn over to manage 1 stitch which we are going to reduce by SSK method. Now purl 3 stitches and now slip 2 stitches and then place on left needle and knit both stitches together from back loop. Now knit 3 stitches, 1, 2 and 3 Now knit 2 stitches together and reduce 1 stitch, which we will manage after purl 3 stitches by making yarn over. Now purl 3 stitches, 1, 2 and 3. Now next stitch is knit stitch, so yarn in back and then yarn over. Now knit 2 stitches and then yarn in front and purl edge stitch. Here we have completed our third row. Now as I told earlier, we have to purl all stitches on wrong side. So after completing our fourth row, we will continue our project. It's our fifth row now. Slip 1 stitch, then repeat pattern, knit 3 stitches and then make yarn over. Now purl 3 stitches, 1, 2 and 3. Again SSK, slip, slip and then knit 2 stitches together from back loop. Place on left needle, knit both stitches together from back loop and then knit only 1 stitch and then knit 2 stitches together. After that purl 3 stitches, 1, 2 and 3, yarn over and then knit 2 stitches, 1 and 2. Here we have completed our repeat pattern. Knit 1 stitch and then purl edge stitch. Here we have completed our fifth row. As usual, purl all stitches on sixth row and then we will start our project on seventh row. Slip edge stitch and now start repeat pattern. Knit 4 stitches, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here increase 1 stitch by yarn over and then purl 3 stitches, 1, 2 and 3. Here we have to reduce 2 stitches at a time by making 3 stitches together. For that we need to follow SK2P method. SK2P method means slip 1 stitch and then knit 2 stitches together from front loop and then pass slip stitch over knit 2 stitches together. Here we have reduced 2 stitches at a time from both sides. Now purl 3 stitches. Now next stitch is knit stitch. So yarn in back and then make yarn over like this and then knit 3 stitches. Here we have completed our repeat pattern. Now knit 1 stitch and then purl edge stitch. So we have completed our 7th row. Purl all stitches on 8th row. Here we have completed our pattern. After few repeats our pattern will look like this. If you like my video, then like and share it. And if you are visiting my channel for the first time, then please subscribe and hit that bell icon to be notified of my upcoming videos. So bye friends, thanks for watching.